Hello there, this is Suyesh and you are watching Suyesh Tech Data. In this video, I will be talking about the new Redmi Note 7S with 48 megapixel camera. So the Redmi Note 7 with 48 megapixel primary camera sensor is debuting in India on May 20. So it will be launching on May 20. After some initial teaser, Xiaomi on Thursday formally confirmed that its new 48 megapixel camera phone would be none other than the Redmi Note 7S. So Redmi Note 7S is the phone with 48 megapixel camera by Xiaomi. The new phone will join the Redmi Note 7 Pro that was launched in the country back in February with 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 camera sensor at the back. Similarly, Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Redmi Note 7S is also likely to come with dual rear camera setup. The phone could come with the superior option of the Redmi Note 7 variant that arrived along with the Redmi Note 7 Pro earlier this year. The Xiaomi India chief Manukumar Jain is tweeted and posted on Friday revealed that the Redmi Note 7 would be the next 48 megapixel camera phone in the Redmi Note series in the country. The tweet also confirmed that the launch date of the new Redmi Note phone that is set for the May 20. As we mentioned, the Redmi Note 7 will be a part of the smartphone family that already has the Redmi Note 7 Pro with 16,599 and Redmi Note 7 11,297 and the two latest model. The new phone, however, is likely to sit between the Redmi Note 7 Pro and Redmi Note 7 to attract the new customer. The teaser image posted along the Gen tweet confirmed that the Redmi Note 7 has hinted the presence of the dual rear camera setup on the new handset. The megapixel count of the secondary sensor is yet to be revealed, though alongside the Redmi Note 7, the Xiaomi is also working on the triple camera smartphone. If you look at the recent teaser, the company also teased that it will bring a Snapdragon 730 and 730G powered phone in the country. To recall, the Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 7 Pro as its first 48 megapixel camera phone in India back in late February. The smartphone was launched along with the Indian variant of the Redmi Note 7 with a starting price of 13,999 for the base of 4GB and 64GB variant. Earlier this week, the Xiaomi announces the sold of 2 million Redmi Note 7 Pro and Redmi Note 7 smartphone unit in India. The company also teased to launch the Redmi Note 7 as the time of the announcing the new achievement. The detail around the price and specification of Redmi Note 7 are yet to be released. However, considering the company previous record, it would tease and wait the piece through the social media channel in the coming days. So this was all detail for Redmi Note 7S and all the achievement of Redmi company. So thanks for watching this video.